guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you have been doing great. All of you are keeping safe, the usual that I always say. Now, you guys must be wondering, I've done entire full face of makeup and my lipstick is missing. And so obviously by the title of the video, guys would have guessed by now, I am going to do something related to lipsticks today. And so I haven't put any lipstick. The eye look that I've done is a very neutral eye look, but even if you do any other eye look, I think one or two of these lipsticks are definitely going to suit you. So yeah, I am going to show you top 5 lipsticks that are superbly amazing and will extremely look flattering on all Indian skin tones. Now, not to be said that there's any color difference, but it's just that we have genetically we have a certain type of skin tone, and so yeah, these lipsticks are obviously going to suit you. If not all of them, then at least 2 or 3 of them are definitely going to suit you. So yeah, without making this intro more long, let's jump into the video. Guys, do not mind the frizz in my hair and the tan on my face, because it is all because of this monsoon. My hair just get out of control during monsoon. Anything I do, styling, conditioning, masking, oiling, anything, it just does not work. My hair gets frizzier and frizzier every day. So even if they're looking like this, it has taken a lot of efforts from me. So just please bear with this frizz. Also, my facial tan, it is teasing me a lot. It is a very big matter for me. I am trying to get over it, but yeah. The first lipstick that I have is from Faces. It's the Velvet Matte lipstick in the shade Divine Mauve. Now this lipstick had made its place in my top 5 lipsticks under ₹500 list also. I am going to link that video somewhere here, so you guys can just go and check that out. And it is making to this list as well. So why that made to that list was because of the price point, and in this list it has been included because of the color. It is such a beautiful color, guys. I can't even emphasize more on the fact that how beautiful this is. I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand so that you guys can see. This is the kind of color it gives. Absolutely beautiful, a mauvey, pinkish, reddish. It has 2-3 tones mixed to it, and when you apply it on your lips, it absolutely looks flattering, beautiful, and yeah, I'm gonna swatch it on my lips and show you guys. This is how it is going to look on skin tones like me. Don't mind the application. I've applied it very roughly without using a lip liner or anything. I am a medium, something between medium and fair. Now don't judge me because I've put makeup. My makeup and my base is something which is very close to my skin tone. So even if I remove my makeup, my skin is going to be almost of this same skin tone. So yeah, so this is, you can consider this to be my natural skin tone as well. So people with fair skin tone, check. People with medium skin tone, check. Even if you have a slightly deeper skin tone, it is still going to look beautiful. The only difference that is going to come is it's not going to look as mauve. It'll look it gives a slight of a red or pink undertone, and that is what is going to look on deeper skin tones, but it is still going to look beautiful. One thing that this removal reminds me of is that there is obviously going to remain some residue from the previous lipstick before I swatch the next lipstick. So if there's any change in color, it is subject to this. But however, I'm going to try my best that the color does not get disturbed, and that is why I've put a little bit of concealer on my lips to make them the neutral tone. Now the second lipstick that I have is from Nykaa. It's their now again, dude, I again just get stuck on the names. I think it's the Ultra Matte to Last. It's the Matte to Last range. It's their liquid lipstick in the shade Gul. Now this is a beautiful pink shade. I had been in a search of a perfect pink for very long, and when I came across this one, I think my search just ended over there, and ever since I've bought it, I've been using it. It is beautiful. It is 5 ml. It gives you a quantity of 5 ml, which is a lot, quite honestly, because you don't use liquid lipsticks as often as bullet lipsticks. So this is going to come a long way with you. Yeah, and I'm gonna swatch it on my lips for you now. Now this is how Gul looks on me. It is not completely dried as of now, but this is how more or less it's going to look when it's dry. It's obviously a bit semi-dry almost. I know it does get a little out of the range, but I never buy my products, my cosmetics on full MRP. Trust me, I've never bought even a single lipstick out of these on full MRP. I always buy when it's the sale time, and I suggest you guys also to buy when the sales are going live, because there is no sense burning your pockets on full MRPs when you can get the same product for 100 rupees less, 150 bucks less, 200 rupees less. Why would you want to pay the full MRP, right? So this one I included in this list because I get it for 350, and even you guys can get it for about 400, 450 when the sale is going on. So just buy it when the sale is on. Now the next lipstick that makes to this list is a nude lipstick. I know you guys have been waiting for a nude lipstick. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick. Again, I don't know the range. It is in the shade Nude Touch. I have used this quite a few times. When I had bought it, it was March, and soon after that, this entire situation of Corona happened, and we were locked down. So I did not get any occasions to wear this one. But however, in my daily time, I have worn this 2-3 times. Now, when you apply it for the first time, it seems very creamy. But then after some time, after like half an hour or so, it dries down on your lips and it turns into a matte lipstick. And after that, obviously it will transfer because it is a bullet lipstick. It is not a liquid lipstick, so it's not completely transfer proof. But however, as long as it is a matte lipstick and it's a bullet form, what else do you want? So I'm gonna swatch this on my lips and show it to you guys. So this is how Nude Touch from Lakme 9 to 5 range looks on me. I don't know why it is looking so mauvey and so pinky, because in reality it is not. I think I have a certain amount of concealer on my lips. That is because I had to neutralize my lips, and I think because of that it has changed its color. But otherwise it's almost a brown nude shade. Yeah. It is actually seeming quite creamy right now, but trust me, after half an hour or so, it dries down completely, looks matte, feels matte, and its name says it's matte, and it is matte. That is basically what I want to try to say is, yeah. Now the next lipstick that we have is requires a bit of maths to be included into this list, because it is the Smashbox and Malvika Sislani collection lipstick, which is Driver's Seat. Now this is the mini version of the bigger one, which retails for 2100 rupees. This is one out of the 2 lipsticks that Malvika Sislani had launched in collection with the Smashbox Cosmetics. So it comes in a box-like kit wherein you get 2 lipsticks, which is this one, Driver's Seat, and the other one is Stepping Out. Now I had already included a nude lipstick in this list, so I could not include Stepping Out, but even that is a beautiful color. It's again a cool toned nude lipstick which can go for absolutely any Indian skin tone, be it fair, be it medium, be it deep. You guys can rock it. Anyone can rock that lipstick, and so is this one. I'll just show you. Oh my god, guys, I can't talk enough about this lipstick. Look how beautiful this is. I'm again, I just, like I said, I'm between fair to medium, but it is looking so beautiful on me. I just don't mind me praising myself, because I'm not praising myself, I'm praising the kind of lipstick it is. It is such a beautiful shade. Fair skins check, medium skins check, deep tones check. Every skin tone can rock this lipstick. I can't just get enough of this. And as you know, as in when I'm nearing the end of this lipstick, I fear losing it so much. I know I am not gonna get this again. Yeah, it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. Guys, if you see a little bit of change in the lighting, please don't mind it, because it's way too gloomy over here. It's almost about to rain. So before that happens, I'm gonna move to the last lipstick of this video, which is this one, the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 70 Amazonian. Now again, it is a beautiful shade. One thing that I want to mention is I'm not gonna restrict to the price range, because if you can get a better lipstick just by adding 100 or 200 bucks more to your budget, I would rather suggest you save and go for it, because you will buy one lipstick and it won't suit you, or you won't like it, then you'll have to buy another lipstick. So instead of that, save up your money and just go for the one that you love, and that is going to have your back for long, which is something like this one. For the entire day, you eat ice creams, you eat chaat pakodi, you eat your roti sabzi, anything you eat, and it's not going to come off. At the end of the day, you're still gonna see it on your lips. That is how amazingly long lasting this one is. I personally have never in my life ever worn brown lipsticks, because I just felt that they are too much to be worn. I never thought that they would suit my skin tone, but this one has broken all the restrictions that I have for brown lipsticks. I'm gonna swatch it on my lips and show to you guys. This is how it looks on me. It is a bit sticky initially when you'll apply it, but then after some time, when it dries down, it feels comfortable and matte. It literally is an ink. It's a paint for your lips, which is not going to come off until you scrub it off with the oil-based cleanser. But yeah, other than that, it looks beautiful. Fair skin again check, medium skin check, deep skin check. The only difference that is going to come is that the deep skin toned girls are, on you guys, it's going to look a little more brown than medium or fair skin tone girls, because again, because of the undertones, the undertones do change, and do change their look with different types of skin tones. So that is the only difference that is going to come in the appearance. Otherwise, it is a thumbs up from my side. Definitely try it. Yeah, and you're gonna love it. That is it, guys. That is where we're gonna end this video. I hope you found your shade, your pick from this video. If not, just let me know in the comment sections if you want me to make another video like this, and I will definitely make one for you guys. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button besides my name, just so that you get updated with everything I post on my channel and with all the fun that I have over here with you guys. Yeah, if you liked it, hit the like button as well, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching.